Hey there! In this video you will learn how to use widgets. Widgets are your tools for building content. You will find them on the left side of your editor. You can use any one of them by simply dragging them to your canvas. To help you organize your canvas easily and to change the settings of multiple widgets faster, we have created a section widget. Let us drag it to the canvas. It's very important to know that you can drag a widget to a section widget or to the canvas area. Now let us add a headline to our section. See that the arrow sign is rounded. That indicates that you're putting a widget into a section. As I said, you can also add a widget to the canvas. So let us add some space above our section with spacer widget. Now you can see the square plus sign indicating that you're putting the widget into the canvas area. I will add some rich text to the section and maybe 2 buttons below my section. Now I want to separate my heading from the rich text and add some space between my buttons, so I will add some additional spacers. You can use spacers to organize the position of your widgets. To help you build the content you want, we have created various setting options for widgets. You can change those settings by left-clicking on a widget. On your right, you will see all the settings available for that widget. Or you can right-click anywhere on the widget. The pop-up will appear where you can set the same settings. When you click on the settings button for the whole section, you can change the general settings of every widget within your section, helping you to speed up your work. Thanks for watching.